Welcome back to In 180 Seconds. For those who have just started their journey in the stock market, and for those who are about to put their first steps, pay attention to the following examples. You might have heard these earlier. First, if you had invested Rs 2,000 in Infosys in the year 1993, then you would have had Rs 2 crores today. And the second example is, the cost of Royal Enfield bike on average was about 1.5 lakhs in 2010. Had you invested the same amount in their company, Eicher Motors, in the same year 2010, then you would have ended up owning 50 such Royal Enfields today. Interesting, right? Now let's look at two other examples. The famous Reliance Communications Company share value was Rs 800 in 2008. However, it is now trading less than 2 rupees. So if you had put 2 lakhs in Reliance Communications, it would have become less than 450 rupees today. Sounds scary, right? Another one similar to this is Jet Airways, which was trading at 1300 plus in the year 2005, is now trading at Rs 88 today. The point here that I would like to stress is, one should not get excited referring to the first two examples, and neither should he get scared looking at the last two examples. However, the general norm we hear all the time is, stock market is risky, and the success rate is very less compared to failures. Which is true, and I am not going to deny it. But remember one thing, this is a notion of opportunities. The one who obeys the laws of the market will learn how to ride it safe. You need skill, emotional balance and a bit of luck too to be successful here. Alright. But I am not done yet. For those who thought Infosys was a golden share, remember the same Infosys shares if bought in the year 2010 at Rs 400 would have given you a return not matching a bank fixed deposit by the year 2017, when it was trading at Rs 460. So timing and holding shares matters. As I said, market snatches everything from those who don't obey the laws and showers the returns for those who do. Stay tuned, we'll get back with more information on these laws in my future videos. Until then, stay calm and keep learning. Goodbye.